Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learning Lane, the place where learning becomes simple and interesting. In today's video, we are going to learn an important topic from geography and geology, the structure of metamorphic rocks. This topic is very useful for school examinations, competitive exams, and for anyone who wants to understand how rocks change inside the earth. So let us begin our journey on Learning Lane. Section 1. What are metamorphic rocks? Metamorphic rocks are rocks that are formed when existing rocks such as igneous or sedimentary rocks change their form due to high temperature, high pressure, or chemical action. The word metamorphic comes from the Greek word metamorphosis, which means change of form. These rocks do not melt completely. Instead, they undergo changes in structure and texture while remaining in solid form. This process usually takes place deep inside the earth, where temperature and pressure are very high. Section 2. Meaning of structure in metamorphic rocks. The term structure in metamorphic rocks refers to the arrangement, alignment, and overall appearance of minerals inside the rock after the process of metamorphism. The structure of metamorphic rocks mainly depends on the intensity of pressure, the direction of pressure, the amount of heat, and the nature of the original rock from which it is formed. Different conditions of heat and pressure produce different structures in metamorphic rocks. Section 3. Types of structure in metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks mainly show two major types of structure. 1. Foliated structure. 2. Non-foliated structure. Both these structures are formed under different pressure conditions. Let's study them one by one in detail. 1. Foliated structure. Foliated structure refers to the arrangement of minerals in distinct layers or bands. This structure is formed when pressure acts in one particular direction. Due to this directed pressure, minerals like mica and feldspar align themselves parallel to each other, giving the rock a layered appearance. These rocks can easily split along the layers. Common examples of foliated metamorphic rocks include slate, schist, and gneiss. Gneiss shows alternating light and dark bands, which is a clear example of foliated structure. 2. Non-foliated structure. Non-foliated structure refers to metamorphic rocks that do not show any layers or bands. This structure is formed when pressure is applied equally from all directions or when minerals are not flat or elongated. In this structure, minerals grow randomly and form a compact and massive rock. These rocks have a hard and crystalline texture. Examples of non-foliated metamorphic rocks include marble and quartzite. Marble is formed from limestone and shows a smooth, crystalline structure without layers. Section 4. Special structures in metamorphic rocks. Apart from foliated and non-foliated structures, some special structures are also found in metamorphic rocks. Banded structure is seen when light and dark mineral bands appear alternately, mainly in gneiss. Granular structure is formed when minerals appear like tightly packed grains, as seen in marble and quartzite. Schistose structure is characterized by thin mineral layers and easy splitting, commonly found in schist. Section 5. Importance of structure of metamorphic rocks. The study of structure of metamorphic rocks helps us identify different types of rocks and understand the conditions inside the earth during their formation. It also helps geologists understand tectonic forces and mountain building processes. Many metamorphic rocks are economically important. For example, marble is widely used in buildings and sculptures, while slate is used for roofing. Let's revise quickly. Metamorphic rocks are formed due to heat and pressure. Structure refers to the arrangement of minerals inside the rock. There are two main types of structures. Foliated structure, which shows layers, and non-foliated structure, which is massive and compact. The structure of a metamorphic rock depends on heat, pressure, and the original rock. So this was a detailed explanation of the structure of metamorphic rocks. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learning Lane. Write your doubts or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and keep growing, only on Learning Lane.